Okay. This video will talk about how you can add menu to your team. How you can add menu to your team. When you open the website, where you have the home, about us, contact us, those are core menu, and those menu can be at the top, can be by the side, can be at the footer. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add menu to our website. Just like I told you, to change your team to any team, you just click on any of them. If I assume I want to use this one, I can click on activate. It will activate any team you want to change to. You can change to, but decide which one you want to change. Let's decide the one you want to go with, and you're good to go. Let's just go with this one and activate it. So when you are sure of the team you want to use, what you need to do is you need to add menu, your home, about us, and the rest. I've just activated this particular team. I told you earlier that when you install a team, there are a couple of them will tell you how you can actually use the team, modify it to suit their purpose. Just like you have this is telling you get started, and it's telling you support. I see these are the documents of this particular team, how to modify it, and it also have a paid version, the pro version. So it also have support. So each team you install, always try to see, go through the brief about them so that you can know how to utilize it properly. But the more you design website, the more you get to know about it. Like even this one I installed now, you can see it came with a video. It came with a video showing you how to use particular theme. So you can actually go through them. You can actually go through it and see how to use this particular theme. So each of the templates you install come with a file which you can always go through. I would advise you go through them. It's very, very important. So to change your menu, I've just modified. I've just changed this theme. Let's check the front page to see how this theme look like. Let's just check the front page to see how it look like. This is how this theme look like. This is how it look like. So the menu is this. This theme have home and sample. This is the default one that came with it. I want to modify it. I should have home, I should have about us, I should have contact us. So how do I modify it? Go back to menu, dashboard. You can even see it here. We have here menu. You can click here. It will take us to where you want us to take us to, or you just go to your dashboard. Any of them you click. Let me just go to our dashboard so that you can see it properly. So you can click on the dashboard to go back to this main place, or you click on that menu. Under your appearance, you go to see menu. You can click on menu. Right here we are in menu. I'll just scroll down. You have here this particular theme came with default menu. We have here menu 1, home and sample page. That is what we saw on the front page. So but you can add more. We don't want this sample page. We want to have home, about us, and mind you, I added extra page. I think I didn't publish it, but let's check together. When you had a page on your page to appear here, all the page will appear here. Then on the post, all your posts will also appear here. Then we can also have customized menu, like want to link to about us, want to link to external page, you can also link it here. Then for category, want to link to particular category, want all people should be able to click on football and see all the article on football is also here. So let's start from here. We have the about page, the home page. To create home page, you need to use custom. this custom. Let me just remove everything here and let's start afresh. Let's start afresh. To remove, just click on it and click on remove. Click on remove. So this is an empty menu now. We don't have menu on this page anymore with what I've just done. So to create your first page, the first thing you create is your home. So just come to custom and click on home. Where should home link to? Home should link to the site name. The site name, in this case, our site name, remind you, we install this website on the site name /blog. So when they click on home, you should take them to the main site. Assuming you install it on your main site, you should just type your site name directly. But in this case, we install this website on the site name /blog. So just put it there and click on home. The next thing I want to do, I want to add about us. You can see the home has come to this part. I want to add about us. Then, assuming I've added about us on my page, I'm going to see it here. But in this case, the about us is not here. So I'll just click. I want to use this particular sample page. As I will change it to about us. Let's assume this is an about us page. I'll just click on it and click on add menu. So when I click on add menu to come here, I can come here and modify it to about us. About us. Then let's say I want to this for now on my front page I will have home, about us. Let's say I want to link it to our sister website, another website, maybe our partner website. I can just see, as you can see, come to this custom and type in partner. This partner will link to external website entirely, depending on the project you're doing. Our partners. Our partners. Then I can put, let's say the partner is, let's say our partner site is google.com. Let's say that's our partner site. I want to link it to external website. I can come here, I put the title and click on our partner. So when I click on it, it takes them to our partner website, depending on the project you're doing. I keep making reference to that. Then let's say I want to link them to a category. I want them, when they on the front page, people should be able to click on the menu and see all the articles that have to do with football, that has to do with our players, that has to do with anything that has to do with since any article that I type or I post on the website that is under this particular category, I want people to be able to access it easily. So I can just, let's say I want people to see our players, all the article that has to do with players. I'll just click on player and add. Then, mind you, all the articles are going to post that are going to put under category player. When someone click on this menu, it will appear. So I'll just click on, change the title to players. Just like I keep making reference to, your menu is determined by the project you are doing. Your project will determine the menu you're going to create. So what next should we add? About all, contact us page. Contact us page. So if you are done with it, you can just come and say create menu. Or so let me create let me add extra page and call it contact us. Let me just come here and add I'll click on another tab and add contact us. Contact us. You can put the content depending on the content of your contact us. I'm just using an example. Then I publish. I'm publishing it now. So let me go back to this. For me to do this, I have to refresh this page. For it to appear on this part, I have to refresh this page. So let me refresh. So I've just refreshed this page. Yeah, but mind you, remember I told you that you need to, when you you finish putting your menu, you have to click on create menu. So I just click on create menu, and the page refresh. Then you can see we have the contact us page here now, which I had it. So I just click on it and click on add menu. So I can move this to anywhere I want to move it to. I can move this to anywhere I want to move it to. So, and you can also put sub menu anywhere. Let's say what we want to have here. I want our player should be under our partners as a sub menu. You can see I had it. You can actually change this to as a sub menu. Take any of them to any sub menu. This means that what you're going to see on the front page will be just this and this. This will be a sub menu to this, a sub menu to this, and a sub menu to this, depending on what you want to achieve. So these are to create a sub menu and alongside. So when you're done, you just click on save menu. So let's go to our front page to see what we have done so far. I will refresh our front page so that you can see what we have done so far. So I'm refreshing this front page. So I've just refreshed this page, and the page is still the same. There's no difference. So which means that I have skipped something. Yeah, which I remember. That should be I did not select the position of the menu. Mind you, I make reference to that menu can be anywhere. And this particular team have just only one menu, which is just this. So I have to check the position where I want the menu to appear. So in this case, it's only have one menu. I didn't scroll down to check this. I was thinking is by default it will be default menu. When you click on menu, it will just appear. But mind you, take note of this. Each team, depending on the team, there's some team you will be operating. You discover that the menu to have more than one space here. You have top menu, you have side menu, to have footer menu. So it will have these different options. So when you create your menu, it will just ask you where do you want this menu to appear. Then you can now select. But in this case, this one only have one menu. This is telling you automatically add it at the top. So you can actually check this also, but this means that you add it at the top. But this team only have one menu, which is the main menu. So when we are done, I just click on it. I can just click on save and go to my front page. Then refresh this page again. So I've just refreshed this page, and we have here home, about us, partner, we have here our player, we have here contact us. So let me go back and modify. Let me go back and modify this. Let me just say, okay, I want this to be under here. As an example, let me just save it back and go back to our front page. I just modified this to be as a sub menu so that you can see it. So I've just refreshed this page after changing the menu and adding a sub menu. Let's see if it will work. And coming here, discover that by default I should have a drop down on the about us here, but I'm not having it. That tells you that not all team will support sub menu. But there's always a solution for it. If the team does not support it, you have two options. You can change the team, or you can add what they call plugin. I've not gotten the plugin yet. We are taking this in one by one. So you can change the team if the team does not support it, or you can use plugin to achieve that. But this particular team which we have here, after I put that other team under sub menu, by default it should appear, but it's not appearing. So which means that this team does not support it. So what I would just do is that I change the team, or I had plugin. And since I have not taught you how to use plugin, so what I will do is I will change the team and show you how the outcome. So let me just click change the team. So I've changed the team to another theme, and as we can see, home, about us, you can see the player is appearing now, which means that this particular team supports drop down menu, while that other team we installed earlier do not support drop down menu. So you can see that theme differ depending on the theme which you're working on, but there are different ways to kill a rat depending. So if this team will not support this, that's why I make reference to something. I said make sure that you go through the document of each team to understand it better, to understand how the team works. So, but this team, the first team we installed did not support sub menu, but this second team I just changed to actually support sub menu. I hope this explain how you can actually create menu. Just like I said earlier, menu can be anywhere. It can be at the top, it can be by the side, it can be at the footer, depending on the team. Depending on the team you're working on is very, very important. You understand that?